may kodigo din ako kasi baka ma-senior moments din ako eh. Okay, and I want to say this kaya maganda na written na. Okay. Okay, so let me start. So my eldest daughter bought me a house and lot in Cavite. It was too far from my workplace, so it didn't work out. Then when Alvin worked, he bought a house and lot in Valenzuela, where I work. He worked so hard, even at the wee hours. Okay? So nawala na ako. Making night and day, no holidays, and no time. No holidays and no time for extracurricular activities. Or shall I say, no time for love also. Okay? So, because of the love and care that Alvin gave me, I really prayed hard that God will give him a partner, a lifetime partner, who will always be around for him through thick and thin, rich or poor. And when Alvin had a heart attack, I saw Mary coordinate with Sis Chai the needs of Alvin, as it was too hard for us to travel from Valenzuela to Heart Center in Quezon City. Besides the fact that seniors were not allowed to go to hospitals at that time because of the pandemic. At that time, I came to realize the true love of Mary towards Alvin, who patiently took care of him and never gave up. Indeed, God answered my prayers. At that time, I finally gave my blessings